Hi, this is GS from UOE.organization of online education. So today in previous video we discussed, I gave an introduction to JavaScript, and also we discussed about what is variable and data types. So right now another important topic in JavaScript is operators. Operators is everything in JavaScript. For addition or addition, for subtraction, multiplication, or for comparison to one value to other value. Such kind of things can be do in JavaScript using operators. And actually, what is operator means? Operator is a symbol. That is used to perform an operation. Suppose I'll show you. Operation is just a symbol. Suppose we can consider plus as an operation. It is used to perform for addition, and minus is an operator. It is used to perform subtraction. So we can consider operator is a symbol that is used to perform an operation. Suppose so in this session we are going to discuss about what is operator. Okay. So in operators we have five types. Five types of operators are there in JavaScript. Number one is arithmetic operator. One is arithmetic operator. Second one is comparison operator. Third one is logical operator, or it can be a relational operator. And the fourth one is assignment operator, and the fifth one is conditional operator. These five operators are very important in JavaScript. In order to perform any kind of action, we definitely use these operators in our JavaScript. So this is very important topic to concentrate. So these are the five operators. Today in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic operator and comparison operator. First of all, starting with this, we have to know what is exactly operator. Suppose I have two values, like x is a variable containing 10 as a value, and another thing was y containing value like something like 20. Suppose using operator means, suppose if I want to add total x plus y. So this is we can consider this is an operator because we are using here operator called plus. Plus is an operator. We are going to discuss it is on arithmetic operator. Okay. Suppose if I want to get the result means this is where to print the output. Let me say I want to save this as operator .html. Okay, I'm going to go through JavaScript and operator. So to our code it has to perform operation called addition. Okay, let me check. It's not printing. Let me check first up on I'm just taking one variable like a test. it should be print. This is print. Okay, if I want to print this print document, right here, right, of the text. I'm gonna print now. Okay, shoot, we forgot to close the tab. Okay, I'm rewinding back. Okay, so I'm closing tag. Previously forgot that it's not, that's the reason it's not displayed any result, so it should be displayed some result. Yeah, 30. So for every open tag, when we discussed about HTML tag, we discussed about this. I mean, for a script tag, for every open tag there should be a closed tag. So what does it, this is we can consider an example of operation. I mean, actually x contain is a variable containing value 10, y is another variable containing value 20. So by using operator plus, I am getting total value 30. I mean, this is an example to the operator. So right now we are going, so if you see here, suppose x is nothing but 10, y is nothing but 20. So this x is the clear explanation. I'm placing like this. This time also we will get same result. Okay, so we can consider this 10 as the operands. Operands is nothing but a value, and 20 is also an operand, but in between this plus symbol is considered as a operation. Okay, so if you are discussing with arithmetic operator and comparison operator, you will get a clear picture. So right now we are discussing about arithmetic operator. Okay, arithmetic operator is nothing but it is used to add two values like this, or it is used to, by using arithmetic operator we can separate, we can multiply, we can division, and we can increment. So even though this is an example of an arithmetic operator, actually arithmetic operator contains operators like, explaining in comments, it contains operators like plus, which we discussed. This is one operator for arithmetic. Minus, this is another operator for arithmetic. And multiplication, division, increment, plus, decrement, minus. So these are the operators for arithmetic. These are the for arithmetic. You can say this. So just now we saw an example using a plus operator, and we can see another example like one variable x equal to same like 20, and where y equal to 50. So now I'm using a minus as an operand. So where total equal to x is an operand, minus is an operator, and y. So I'm going to print total result. Document dot write, right? See here, you can see minus 30. It means 20 minus 50 equal to minus 30. I mean, using arithmetic operator, such kind of calculation can be workable. Suppose another operator called multiple, means it will multiply the calculation 1000. Okay, another operator is division, it will divide that one. I mean, like 20 slash 50 equal to, answer will be 0.4. And another thing is increment and decrement. Suppose you see here something like plus x. Okay, if I put this, means you can see answer like 1. What does it mean? Means this plus is nothing but it will increase value by 1. So it will calculate like x plus 1. So it will be 20 plus 1. So the answer is 21. that is an increment operator. By using this increment operator, we can increase the value of a variable by 1. If you consider this x, so if you use decrement operator, x means it will decrease value by 1. So you can see results like 19. Okay, this is how the arithmetic operators are useful. In any application max we will use such kind of calculations, so the calculations we consider as operators. Okay, so we should now onwards call that plus, minus, into, division are the arithmetic operators. And another operator is comparison operator. Okay, what is this comparison operator means? These comparison operators are used in logical statement. It is to determine equality differences. Suppose if you see, if this number is greater than this, I want certain result, or else it want to display another result. Such kind of conditions we will use comparison operator. Here we will compare two variables in order to perform certain task. So if you come to comparison operator, these operators for comparison operator. So it contains symbols. For every operator it contains its own symbol. For arithmetic operator, plus, minus, into, and the same like comparison operator, we have symbols like equal to, and this is not equal to symbol, and other one is greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to symbol, and less than or equal to symbol. So these symbols we can consider as an comparison operator. So right now I will give an example how actual comparison operators works. Suppose I have a variable called x, something like 20. So right now I am writing one condition. If this x val is equal to 20 means want to perform one action. This if, what is if means we can discuss it on conditional statements. Okay, we can discuss what is if. Right now it's just concentration on comparison operator. Okay, if x equal 20 means I want to print one statement like document that right, this is true, else so if I run the statement means this is the true will be the statement will be printed because they close script tag. No, I forgot to close quotation. Okay, so y is x equal to just print augment data. This is true. Let's just print everything is fine. Let me check is there any other. In a JavaScript we can see error in error console. Here itself we will display letters. Where we did. Showing like here we are writing one error. Untitled statement. So okay, here it's finding some statements, so I will use like me check. And this is no. I mean, that's the use of flexibility of Mozilla, because if you stuck any application, we just come to Firefox and we just come here and we web developer. In web developer we have one error console. In this error console, I mean, if I reload this page, means it will show what error I am doing. This is the one very good important debugging process. Okay, I'm showing that in operator document dot work here. It shows that I'm using something like this mistake. So easily I come to the line 15, and if you see here, I did a document is a mistake. I mean, spelling mistake. So I can easily correct here. So I'm saved. So almost developers prefer to use Mozilla, because it is very common to do mistakes, but it is very hard to find where we did mistake. So by using this debugging process, we can easily find where we did. So I got the answer. Yes. Why? Because using the comparison operator, equal to is a comparison operator, whether the variable is equal to the different value. So it is true. Suppose if I rename this as 30 means, it will return false. No. Why? Because you can write previous statement, this is true and this is false. So the output will be false, because in compare x, the value is 30. 30 is never equal to 20. So it is displaying this condition else. So this is how that equal to operator works. And not equal to operator, how we use not equal to operator. Suppose I have another variable called now I want to check the condition. If same like equal to, if x is not equal to, if x is not equal to 20, return this statement. Else, suppose I will counter where so if the total value is not equal to, I'm checking if the total is not equal to 20, I want to return true. Else I want to write close this one, and if you see here, true means what it is saying is total. If I combine, the total will be 80. 80 is not equal to 20, so it displaying this statement. Suppose if I placed here as 80 means, this is condition. Normal how it is an example, just an example how we use comparison operators in JavaScript. I'm showing you. So if I refresh means this is false. Not equal, yeah. I mean what it is means 80. If you put condition 80 not equal to 80 means it is false because 80 is always equal to 80, but it's showing that 80 is not equal to 80. So this is the condition is false. So if you keep this 80 equal to 80 means condition will display the first statement true. This is how equal to and not equal to operators use. Condition will be true. Okay. Another one is we always, I think it is very basic idea. If the angle bracket show like this means we consider this as greater symbol. If it is shows to right side means it is less than symbol. Okay. So we are discussing about greater than symbol. I am writing here if x is greater than y. Greater than means this is true. Else it should be reply false. Okay. X 30 and y 50. 30 is never greater than 50. So it should written this is false. This is true because x is not greater than y. If you see here, yeah, it's true because x 30 is not greater than y. So it coming to the else statement. If x is greater than like something, if I increase the value 60 means the condition here itself satisfied. So it will display 60 is greater than 50. So it will display true. The statement false. So x is greater than y. So it will display the statement. Yes, true. If I change this means it will display false because x is not greater than 70. It will display false. This is how actually we compare operators one to one. Another one is suppose if less than, if x is less than y and 60 is less than y, so it is true. It display true. Like that we compare operators in comparison operator. So basically in arithmetic operator, today we discussed about arithmetic operator and comparison operator practically, and another important operators are logical operator, assignment operator and conditional operator. So this is for today session about for comparison and arithmetic operator. Coming session we can discuss about logical and assignment operators and conditional operators. Okay, thank you.